This is Keep On Pushing TV with Devon Harris.
The thing is that humans are very smart. You know, it may seem that sometimes humans are dumb, but actually humans are pretty smart.
Are they?
There's a joke by George Carlin, who was a great social commentator, and he'd say, think about how dumb the average human is, and then think that half of them are dumber than that. but in truth, humans, as you see from a child, just from a very young age, you can see the intelligence that comes from a child learning a new language, learning how to do things very quickly, and even learning how to manipulate their parents, right? Very early on. So we actually have the tools for success already. The challenge for us is the bad habits that we inculcate as we get comfortable with the current tools that we have. So you start to just get into the things that you do normally. This is what I always do. And then you don't want to change. There's a bit of inertia that goes with that. So to me, what it's all about is us being flexible. I think that covers every base. You're flexible when surprises hit. I might have to change. I might have to scrap a plan and move forward. But you're also flexible even when things are going well. I think of Tiger Woods. When he was at the top of his game, he was leading the world. He was the number one golfer, and he decided to rip apart his swing and learn a new golf swing. Think about that. An elite performer who's winning events saying, I need to change. I need to get better. I want to improve. My swing is not consistent enough. I want an even more consistent swing. And even if that means I'm going to lose some tournaments that maybe I would have won as I'm making this transition, but in the end, it's going to pay off. And it was something like a year and a half went by before he finally clicked and he said, oh, got the new swing now. And he could do it automatically. And the old swing, the old habits were left behind. And then he won even more tournaments and dominated even more so. So to me, if you're flexible, then you're always going to be ready for failures, but you're also going to consistently prepare yourself to be more successful because you will not rest on your laurels. The journey is never over. There's always more to learn.